Good morning.
We're eating our little, what do you call the skin?
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon rolls, yeah.
You made it.
Yeah, I did.
I gobbled mine down.
It's finished.
Oh God, I'm sad now. I want another one.
You can have this one.
I miss you.
How you doing? So I've already had like a pretty busy morning so far, but I thought I'd just start filming now and just kind of chat with you guys, because why not? Let's hang out. I really like vlogging. Oh my goodness. On today's to-do list, I'm going to Auckland this weekend with my lovely Joe. We're going to go visit his family. We haven't seen them in so long. I think the last time we saw them was in 2020. But we did see them in 2021, like I think in January, but just briefly, like a few hours. Anyway, so we're gonna go to Auckland this weekend. Joseph's youngest brother is expecting, his wife, not his brother, and they're having a little baby boy. And Joseph's other brother, Joseph has a really big family, he's like one of 6. They had a baby last year and we haven't even met her yet. Her name is Sophia. So I thought that it would be a really good idea to go baby shopping today. I'm like parked in the middle of the city and it's so loud and there's so many things going on. It's so crazy. Anyway, before this conversation continues, I just have to say, trigger warning, I'm going to be talking about miscarriage. So if that's not something that you're really okay to hear right now, I would just skip through if you want, if you need to. If you do want to listen, I will be talking a little bit about what was really hard for me during my miscarriage. But yeah. Go baby shopping just shows me that I've healed from our miscarriage that we went through last year, October, and I wouldn't say that I was hugely triggered by being around babies and talking to friends and family that are pregnant or seeing babies or holding babies. That didn't trigger me. I think the thing that did trigger me was my periods after our miscarriage. That really that was traumatizing. So since then I've had my period 4 times or 5 times since. The first time I had my period after a miscarriage was it was really, really traumatizing. And the second time I was like trying to be okay with the uncomfortability about it, and then third time I could feel that I'm kind of, you know, almost getting back to normal, and then fourth time it didn't really even bother me. So I know I'm healing and I'm getting better and better at coping with my feelings around it. And I decided to share about it on my Instagram because I really connect with you guys, and I really feel like you're my best friends, and that we're very close. And so I almost kind of want it to be a point of reference or a point of contact if someone does go through a miscarriage. And I actually do have a few girls in my DMs that are messaging me going through a really tough time now with pregnancy and, you know, miscarriage and things like that. And it's really nice to be able to connect with women that have gone through something similar or that are facing it right now, and being there for them in that moment, because you know exactly how that feels. I see that as almost like an insight to a bit of trauma in someone's life, and being able to be a light in that area just slightly if the person wants me to. I'm more than happy to talk about that. I'm not sensitive around that subject. I think the more I talk about it, and I think that's also why I shared it, because the more I talked about it, the more I kind of like was faced with reality, because I'm the type of person that kind of just distracts myself from pain, from hurt, from anything that's not nice. But I think the more I spoke about it, the more I became comfortable with the hurt. That's why I would love to talk about it if you guys want to talk about it. Okay, so on today's agenda, we are going to get some baby stuff, and then we are going to have lunch with a friend in town, and then I'm going to get my nails done so you guys can come along with me. This is what they currently look like. I pulled them all off. It was just, I had enough. But yeah, let's go to the mall. Hey guys! So, I want to do a little like, what did I buy for the little baby haul? So, I got these cute little gift bags. One for a girl with these cute pandas on it, and one for a boy with these cute zebras on it. I had the best time shopping for baby stuff. So we also got this like little tissue paper that I'll put above all the presents. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. Okay. This is what I got Sophia. So it's 2 sets of this beautiful, what do you call this? I don't even know, but it's a 2-pack. I have no idea what you call this. Jumpsuits for babies. These cute little flowers on them, and I love the sage green. And then I also got this little baby. Oh my goodness, how freaking cute is this? So I got her this little baby box. Oh my goodness. Just imagine her walking around with this in her. I'm dying. And then this is what I got. The baby boy that we're expecting in May. Not me. When I say we're expecting, I'm talking about our family. And I just thought that the little zippers would be so good to have for, you know, when you quickly just want to change baby. So yeah, it's his little zipper one, a little 2-pack one. So cute. I also got this one. Oh, it's got little hedgehogs on it, and it's got a little thing with ears. I die. It's just so soft. We got him a little tiger. So they're best friends. I love this. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, and then I'm saving the best for last. We got the baby boy, this really, really cute counting book, and it's English and Māori. Oh, I'm dying. And then we got Sophia the Where is Spot book. Just a very interactive little book. That just literally filled my heart so much. I love buying things for babies. I have no idea how I'm going to be when I'm going to be a mother one day. Just don't know how I'm going to refrain myself from not buying everything, because this was really hard. We are at the airport.
We really miss traveling. Sunday. I'm getting ready for the day and I thought I will just film my makeup on here for you guys and do a little story time. I'm still real salty about it, so why not tell you guys about it. We get to the airport. This is like the first time we fly in maybe a year and a half, I would say. Anyway, I brought really big jumpers with me for who knows why. We're not in Wellington. It's not cold here in Auckland, but I did. My carry-on baggage ended up being 3 kilos over. It was 10 kilos instead of 7. I mean, if you think about it, 10 kilos is a lot. She charged me $65 for being 3 kgs over the limit. I mean, $25 would be more like a reasonable price for that, but $65 for 3 oh, I don't know, just didn't sit right with me. I paid it, but I just felt so cheated. I felt sick to my stomach. Currently doing my makeup out on the balcony. Let me show you my view. I packed for winter. I don't know why I did that, but we stepped out of the plane and it was warm here. I don't know what else I expected, but that I did not expect that. It's been so good catching up with everyone, and today we're having a baby shower for Ari. Is your team enough?
Oh.
Just wait a little bit.
Is that hot?
It's still quite hot.
Okay, thank you. Also having chocolate for breakfast. Found this at like a local dairy. Pickled eggs are literally my favorite. Whittaker's chocolate. Thank you. Great content. We got Starbucks.
Yay!
Going to get some lunch. Yum. I feel like this vlog has just been eating vlog video.